Hello everybody, we're here at 360 Condos downtown and just heard a thunderbolt and looked out my window and this was coming my way. Love this view, just a nice little spring rain shower. You can kind of see it as it comes across the town. It's not even quite here at the building yet. Now we're starting to get some drops. Looks like just a quick little rain shower, but love experiencing stuff like this. It is springtime in Austin, Texas. It was almost 80 degrees yesterday. What is it, March 10th? South by Southwest is right around the corner, actually this week. And I think it might officially be spring in Austin, Texas. Wish this digital camera picked things up better because you can kind of see the rain coming across the park over there by Palmer Event Center. Ah, heaven. Very, very nice. Quite a bit of rain. It's got the south side over there pretty much engulfed and out of visibility. The smell. Wish you could smell it. Wish I could smell it better. Got a lot of allergies in Austin, Texas. Alright, well, it's been a little windy. Hope you guys enjoyed.